Much ado, let me introduce you to the ingredients for our stuffed peppers. So for our stuffed peppers, we need cooked rice. So I have my cooked rice here. I have mixed bell peppers. I have my chili and my mature cheddar cheese here, my spring onions, my onions. I have my seasoning, so my salt, my Scotch bonnet mix, so basically Scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, onion mix. This is shrimp seasoning, and this is all pepper seasoning. I have my mozzarella cheese, and I have my cheese. So this is just an extra cheese here. And of course, we have our 4 giant bell peppers. So we've got a green, orange, red, yellow. And of course, the key ingredients for this recipe is our minced beef. So these are the ingredients for our stuffed peppers. And without much ado, let me introduce you to the step-by-step tutorial for it. And proud to show you the ingredients and taking you to the steps. Please preheat your oven to approximately 220 degree Fahrenheit to get it nice and warm, so that once you're done with stuffing your peppers, you can just put in right away. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. So my lovelies, I have here my minced beef on fire, and I'm just going to start off by steaming it. So I'll just add a bit of water in there, not too much, and then I'm just going to add my Scotch bonnet mix in there. So in it goes. I'm going to put in my salt, and that's my cube. I'll put my cube in there. I'll just put my salt in there, basically all the seasoning. And then cook this till it's nice and brown. I need a bit more water, so I'm just going to add this in there. And then allow it to cook. So we are now going to deal, whilst the minced beef cook nicely, we are going to deal with the bell pepper. So I've already prepped 3 of my bell peppers. You see, they are very ginormous and enormous. And I'm going to just demonstrate how I prep it. So I'm just going to start off by using my Eton knife to just go in there and just make an incision, circular incision, like so, to create an opening. Then I just twist it like that, and then just gently remove that. So you can grow this if you want, or you can just, and then using my Eton cutlery knife, I'm just going to scrape the inside, and then basically I'm just going to empty that in the bin, and then use cold running water to rinse in the contents, and then we'll have a nice and prep like this. So that's very simple to make. And then this bit, you can dice it and add it to the stuffing if you want. So my lovelies, this is how our minced beef is looking. Very nice, looking very, very nice. So at this point it's done. I'm just going to off the fire and then add the other ingredients to it. So I'm just adding the onions to it. And I'm not going to allow it to cook since obviously we're going to bake it. So, and then I'll add in my spring onions. So I have a clean pan here, and I'm just going to pour the contents in there, the beef and everything in there. So that's our contents. And then I'm just going to pour in our cooked rice. That's the leftover rice. Mix it thoroughly. I'm now just going to put in my cheese. Yeah, allow it to cook a bit, and then I'll stuff them inside the pepper. These ingredients, yeah, that we've just made, gently stuff them in. We're gonna bake this for 30 minutes. They're done and dusted. I'm just going to put it on a clean rack and then put it in the oven. So I'm just going to place it, sit it, stand it like that.
I just need accusers. I just need accusers. A place where your cooking is cared for. I just need accusers. I just need accusers. A place where your cooking is cared for.
Let me hear your view in the comment section. So now I'm just going to pop it in our preheated oven for 30 minutes.
You are what you eat. Eat well,
Thank
live
you.
well.
So my lovelies, you are done and dusted with our stuffed
Please
peppers.
like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.